email the candidate here. Suppose you want to mail all the candidates or a particular candidate from here. Then click here. If you want to connect all the candidates in the search, all the CVs are appearing in this search, then click here, select all the CVs have been selected. And number of shows 160 is the limit of one page. So that means in one go you can communicate 160 candidates by mail in one shot. Click it here, then 160 resumes are
selected.
Then click it here, mail. Selected candidates only, all candidates on this page, specify page range. So you can understand, it depends on the parameter you will be filling you will be selecting. So it will be, the mail will be sent to all those candidates. Here I have selected candidates only. In fact, I have selected all the 160 candidates appearing on the page. So both the things are meaning the same thing. Submit, then processing. Here, this is, since it's a demo account, the mail is not available. So here you can do the mailing. If you have the license version, I mean not a demo account, then here in the same option you can send the mail to the candidate. Okay. See, since I have tried with one candidate, it is coming there. Mail template. Here there is one template was there already. You can select from your previous template. Otherwise, you have to create one new template. You have to mention your mail ID here. Then subject line, you have to write your subject line here. What you should be writing: urgent opening for accounts in Kolkata or Mumbai or Delhi or anywhere else for the position. Then write the body like here, candidate, so and so, regards. You should mention your every details. Then job details. Send an existing job. The job title you can select. From that, here there is no job posting, so you are not able to, I am not able to select any job ID, otherwise it will come here. If we don't click here, then job title you can write manually. You can write accounts executive. You can give the location also, say Kolkata. Right? Minimum experience, say 5 years, maximum is say 10 years. Right? Then preview and send, minimum salary. It is basically, it is finding the candidates on the basis of the searching. Then preview and send. So I have to mention this thing also. So say 2.5 lakh to say 6 lakh. Suppose. And if you are planning to do bulk mailing, then keep this option. Click this option, save the template for the session. So next mailing, whenever you will be going for the next page, automatically this template will come. Hide the salary from the candidate. If you don't want to show the candidate what is the salary of the position, then hide it. Include zero salary candidates. There are many candidates who don't mention their salary in the portal. So if you click here, so it will not go there. It will go to everybody. It will include everybody. If in the people who are having the people who have not mentioned their salary in the portal, they will also get the mail. Now you give a name of this template. Say accounts. Then preview and send. You have to click this button. Since the criteria was not made, so this was not sent to the candidate. So here is a mandatory field, and in the previous job search, I think we have given 8 years. I think that is the reason. Let's see. And it was accounts executive. So Dito, we are covering the same thing. Locations is Kolkata. Where is Kolkata? I don't know, it is not getting selected. Hmm. Then you review and send. So here, again find candidate, advanced search. I have done already a searching, so manage search. Searches. Then here in this, under this head, I'll be getting all the searches I have made, but the searches were not saved. If I have saved the searches, then it will come here. And share searches which was shared by somebody, accounts executive. If I click it here, then the old search will come up. Just see. You need not to do anything. It's a basically shortcut. So if I am selecting multiple candidates and I am doing modify search first because I am removing this GST TDS accounts. So if I want to send the mail to these people, say one or two, I am selecting. Now email, submit. Since this is a new template, so I am not mentioning anything. Urgent, then you write it down, dear candidate, so and so. Then you write the job title, experience you mention, minimum 3 years, maximum how many years you want to give, location, one location Kolkata that was selected, save email as template. Template name you can write it down. Then preview and send. Here job title is required, so is the accounts executive. See, all of the mandatory fields is filled up. The experience is also required to be filled, 8 years. Now preview and then. So accounts executive, then experience, related location, one location, salary, template name, mention in accounts executive. Be it a name of the, right. Then click it here. See, this just, it is not yet sent, it is just the template, how the candidate will get the mail and they can see the design and everything. This is the type of the mail drafting. Then schedule and send. That means you can send this mail on a futuristic day, future day. Is a futuristic approach. If you want to send it now, send now. If you want to edit the mail, then edit. I am sending it. See, it's going. See, the email has been successfully sent to the moderation. Okay. Do you want to revert this mail to a job posting for more responses? Yes. See, every portal has got some unique features. So this is also a good feature of Shine.com.